In this video I'll show you how to replace front discs on a Nissan Leaf. Remove the wheel. Jack up the car. Use a 14mm wrench to remove the bolts from the moving part of the caliper. Gently remove the caliper. Secure the caliper with a strip around the front suspension spring. Gently remove the brake pads by simply pulling them outwards. Use a 19mm socket and a long-armed torque wrench in order to remove the mounting bolts. Remove the caliper bracket and clean it with a steel brush. Use a rubber hammer in order to loosen the disc from the hub. Apply copper grease on the back side of the brake pads. Also apply copper grease on the caliper bracket mounting surfaces for the brake pads. Apply copper grease on the mounting points of the brake pads. And finally, apply copper grease on the hub in order to avoid disc seize. Install the new disc on the hub. Reinstall the caliper bracket. Remember to add some copper grease on the bolts. Tighten the bolts with a torque that equals 165 Newton meters. Reinstall the brake pads. Reinstall the moving part of the caliper. Tighten the bolts with a torque that equals 27 Newton meters. Put the wheel back on and tighten the bolts with a torque that equals 165 Newton meters. That was it, and we're almost ready to go. Please remember, before you go for the first ride, to apply the brakes a few times in order to regain pressure in the system. Thanks for watching.